Hi, good morning. I'm Gaythri Raja. This is my matrix number 01DDT18F2103 and my lecturer name is Abdul Junaidi Abdul Hafiz. Here I'm going to do a presentation of the problem-based tasks. Here I start my presentation. It's about network.pcap. And step 1, download Wireshark at this the website that I have shown here. And step 2, open Wireshark and then select the network and start the capture. Step 3, Wireshark start capture the traffic. You just have to wait a while. And this is the example of the capture. Step 4, open the file containing the virus and extract it all. First, adjustment need to be stored on the dashboard or for convention. And this is the example of the capture. Step 5, make sure that rename the file .exe and run as administration the file virus 3 to 5 times to make sure the virus works properly. But system will shut down after repeatedly running it. And this is an example of the file we are going to run. Is that the file is we are running. And step 6, open the Wireshark to stop the capture. And this is the example of the Wireshark that we run and now we are going to stop. And step 7, and then need to open a Wireshark select option that is in the capture. It will show the capture option in type and capture filter into select interface. Select HTTP and DNS protocols. This is the capture of the example of HTTP protocols. It's an explanation. However, the HTTP protocol still does not detect the virus. Instead, no action was taken by malware or virus on a port 80 HTTP information. HTTP is an insecure port, so malware will use the network. The second is a DNS protocol. This is the DNS protocol example. Next, the filter in the DNS like HTTP still does not show the virus infection. No action was taken by the malware. And for information malware uses DNS port 53 because it is a trust protocol used to publish every important information to network clients. Now we are going to see the virus total. Step 1. Firstly, open any browser. For example, Google, Chrome, then search virus totally or copy the URL of the website www.virusportal.com and click enter. And this is an example of the virus total, the browse we have search. And next step, download the virus you choose to run the virus in a virus total. And this is the example of capture. And step 3, you can see in summary the total virus has been detected in a virus total. And this is the example how we are going to detect the summary in a virus total. Explanation, the name of the virus that is detected in virus total is 427EX. Show the summary how much the virus were detected, and 38 virus were detected from a 68 file that has been mentioned in capture. And there is a few capture of the virus detected in our file. Explanation, in detection malware that found will be shown in a red color and it will give us a specific name that was detected in every file, while undetected using the green color means the malware were not found in other file. The malware not found because the engine unable to process these files. And here also some of the example of the capture that it shows that the file type of has been using in Win32exe. Size of this file is 99.50 KB. In history, it will show the data, date, time, for first and last submission, last analysis, earliest, last content modification. And now this now going to for our next capture of the virus. Name of the virus, example, the name of virus that we deduct by the virus total of is 420, 270 EXE, 647, 478 EXE and virus EXE. In section of the name, types of file, picture of files, picture address, raw file, size of files, Like example MD5, it only take graphic function that accept message as input and return files are output for the addressing original message. And here the one for the example of the capture. DLL dynamic link library is a complete file that allows application to share code to perform one or more problematic functions. And here is another capture of the example. Is the language has been used in English, USD. The file type data is SCII text and application XML. Thank you.